Hello, I'm in a 2018 Ford Escape, and today I'm going to show you how to set your date and time. So first you want to make sure your vehicle's turned on, which this currently is, and then up here you want to make sure it's turned on, which it now is, and then from here we'll go to menu. We're going to use these to scroll up and down and hit OK as we need to select. So we'll scroll. We're at clock settings now, so I'm going to hit OK. And then again, you can scroll up or down. If you like military time, you can turn on 24-hour. You can even see it in real time changing. Let's set time, up or down, and auto saves. And then same with the date. You go up or down as needed. It is not 2018. But I mean, maybe you want to relive some old memories. But otherwise, I hope this was helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful day.